Let me guess. You sit down to work. 5 minutes later, your phone is in your hand. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is trained to escape discomfort. And nobody ever taught you how to fix that. Today, I'm going to show you one rule that quietly rebuilt my focus when motivation, discipline, and willpower completely failed. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your focus isn't broken, your brain is overstimulated. Every scroll, every short video, every notification, they've trained your brain to expect pleasure before effort. So when real work appears, studying, learning, building something meaningful, your brain panics. Not because it's hard, but because it's quiet. This is why motivation never lasts. Motivation is emotional, focus is neurological. Motivation says, let's do this. Your brain says, is this safe? Is this rewarding? If the reward is delayed, your brain pulls you away. That's why you don't need more discipline. You need a shorter commitment. Here's the rule. You never ask yourself to focus for more than 20 minutes. Not 1 hour. Not until it's done. Just 20 minutes. That's it. And here's why it works. Your brain resists open-ended pain, but it accepts finite discomfort. When you say 20 minutes, your brain relaxes. It stops fighting. It stops negotiating, because it knows the suffering has an end. This is how you bypass procrastination without forcing yourself. Here's the rule in practice. Pick one task. Set a timer for 20 minutes. No phone, no switching. When the timer ends, you stop. Yes, even if you're in the middle. This trains your brain to trust you. And once trust is built, focus starts extending naturally. Here's what nobody expects. After a few days, you won't want to stop at 20 minutes. But don't break the rule early. Stopping builds control. Control builds confidence. Confidence builds consistency. That's how focus is trained. Most people ruin this rule by doing one thing. They wait to feel ready. You don't start when you feel focused. You start to become focused. Focus is a consequence, not a requirement. Discipline isn't about pushing harder. It's about asking less, but doing it daily. 20 minutes a day beats 0 minutes perfectly planned. This rule didn't make me superhuman. It made me consistent. If your life feels stuck, don't change everything. Change how long you ask yourself to try. Start with 20 minutes today. If this helped you, subscribe. Not for motivation, but for control.